has arrived. Bad Buddy, the special edition box set from Thailand, has arrived at my doorstep today. I have for this pre-order for a long time, and it's finally here. Okay. It's collectible. Look at it. Isn't it awesome? I mean, really. Okay. I still have a problem though with one part of this. They are never doing this in the entire show, so why do we have them in outfits they don't wear in the show? I feel the same way about the folders that are currently available on eTICD. I'm going, they never wear those suits in the show, so why are they wearing them? Okay, momentary relapse there, but I'm just saying. Okay, let's see. It has that new IBL DVD smell. Okay. Okay, I gotta share. I love how these are like pop-ups for adults. Okay, we can have. Oh, I love this frame print. I ordered a special from Etsy because I didn't know I'd get it in this. So anyway, we'll take this slowly. We have this framed print. That's my favorite, I think, of the two of them. But anyway. And we have this frame print. We have this frame print. I love this print. It's like, it captures both of their minds. Pran is thinking, and Pat is completely clueless about that. Anyway. Okay. The world's most handsome pick pose. Okay. And I'm referring to the guitar pick, not the people. But anyway. Okay. No offense to people. They look nice, but, you know, I don't really think about how people look. Then we have dimples and small eyes. The crew. These are special postcards, which I will never be sending to anyone. I'm like, I might like people a lot, but they're not going to get my postcards. Okay. And it comes in a special frame that you can change out. This is one of the things that is going in my, I'm going for a year-long trip. This is coming in my carry-on. We all have priorities. Okay, this and my now doll. But anyway, and my corner of my box got beat up in the mail, which I'm not very happy about. But anyway, I just noticed that. I'm going to send them an email. Okay, we have prints. Again, folks, I mean, it's a nice print. It's kind of funny because Pat is always doing that to Pran, but they never do this in the entire show. So I'm like, okay. Anyway, no offense, but nice picture. Okay. This is another of my all-time favorites. You can buy a tapestry of this on Etsy for like $17. It's in my cart. It's coming home sometime. Yeah, like, wouldn't that look great on the wall? Anyway. Okay, I really don't get how in Asian drama, there seems to be a theme that we draw on people. I mean, I don't quite understand that, but it's okay. I'm sure it's because I grew up in the Western world, and we didn't really draw on people. If we did, we got in major trouble. We have this picture. Again, I'm not quite sure why the rugby outfits, because they only play rugby a little bit in the show. But anyway, and again, rugby. Prominent feature, rugby outfits. Why rugby outfits? Anyway. So, make sure these are the right way. Okay. Going back in the little band. I am very happy with this set. I just wish they wouldn't have beat up my box. That's all. This was expensive, even on sale. Okay. Then we have the official photo book of the Bad Buddy series. And the thing I love about these photo books, I also bought 1000 Stars because you can buy it on eTICD. It comes with photo book. The other thing I love about these photo books they have English translation in them because they know most people that are buying this are probably, and it tells the story with pictures. And like it really is like picture books for adults. Okay. Not as in adult content meaning. Anyway, moving on. I could not be more happy with this collection. The only thing that would make me happier is if the box were not beat up. But